In this video, I will guide you through how to use ManyChat on WhatsApp. So let's just begin. So first of all, what we need to do over here is you can see on the left side we have multiple options. We need to head over to our settings using this, and from there we can see we have channels and multiple different options. So we can select for like for example WhatsApp, since we need to connect WhatsApp, but you can also get 1 month complete for free using the link in the description below and unlock even more features, and that is going to be helping you to unlock the best out of the platform. So once you click on WhatsApp, it is going to be giving you an option to connect. Make sure to put in your details and connect it. You can see you can transfer your own number. You can choose to select this option, and once you select through these options, you can also create a new WhatsApp number or connect your WhatsApp business with coexistence. So you can click on continue, and let's just say you need to bring an WhatsApp business or app already. So now click on continue, and it is going to be of course requiring the pro that you can get using the link in the description and easily connect your account. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you around in the next video.